Alright, so let's look at some useful phrases you can say or change in your own way. So, what's your name? What's your name? What's your name? What's your name? Ah. Not too straight away, but talk to the person first. Comes off as too much, too soon when you just go straight in there with what's your name? And just build up to it. Yeah, not straight into it. It's just get there. Also, if she asks for your name first, then you're doing good. Okay, but no worries about that. So, nice to meet you. Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you. And thank you. Thank you. Thank you. And goodbye. Goodbye. Nice and straightforward. Goodbye. So we could also then say, see you tomorrow. Tomorrow. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. Today is Tuesday. Tomorrow is Wednesday. Or see you soon. See you very soon. In a little time. A little time. A little time. But here, we could simply say bye-bye. Bye. Or bye-bye. 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 That still works. You haven't got necessarily to say goodbye, just bye, by itself, or bye-bye. Bye-bye. How cool is that? And thank you. We could simply just say thanks. Oops. Thanks. Thank you. Thanks. Thanks. Or thanks. Thanks a lot. Thanks a lot. That works too. Thank you. Thanks a lot. Yeah. Nice to meet you. Now, how could we condense that? We could say, pleased to meet you, sure. Good to meet you, good to meet you. Good. Or if you really want, you could say, awesome to meet you. That is not very used. That's not used very much. Awesome to meet you. Awesome to meet you. And here, what's. Now this is interesting. So we got an abbreviation here. 2 words made into one. What's. It's a more informal way. But a more formal way, what is. What is your name? Whenever all words are said individually, what is your name, then it's more formal. But when it's abbreviated, like with an apostrophe, what's your name? What is your name? What's your name? It's more formal. What is your name? What's your name? More formal, but still works just as well. So, what's your name? Nice to meet you. Good to meet you. Awesome to meet you. What is your name? Thank you. Thanks. Thank you. Thanks. Thanks a lot. Goodbye. Bye. Bye-bye. See you tomorrow. See you soon. See you soon. How cool is that, Language Explorers? Let's keep going.